Hey everyone! Want to create content for YouTube or social media but don't have time for complex editing? Today, we're breaking down the best features of Pictory, an AI that turns your articles and scripts into professional videos and skyrockets your income. Click the link in the description below to sign up for Pictory for free. Let's go! Feature number 1. Text to Video Basic. The most powerful feature is text to video. Just paste in your text. Tip: break your sentences into short paragraphs. This helps the neural network better match visuals to each phrase. Choose a template and aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts. Look, the AI analyzed the text itself and selected stock footage from the Storyblocks library. If you don't like a frame, you can replace it with a single click in the Visuals tab. Feature number 2. Voiceovers and music. You don't need a microphone. The audio section offers dozens of realistic AI voices in various languages. Choose the one you like and click Apply. Pictory will automatically add background music and adjust the volume so it doesn't drown out the voice. This saves a ton of time on audio mixing. Feature number 3. Editing videos using text. Now here's the killer feature. You can upload a video, like a Zoom call recording, and the AI will convert it into text. Want to cut out a section of the video? Just delete that sentence in the text editor on the left, and that's it. It'll disappear from the timeline, too. You can also remove filler words like and with a single click, the Remove Filler Words button. Feature number 4. Audio to video. Adding audio to video. What if you already have a recorded audio file, such as a podcast or an audio note? The audio to video feature is exactly what you need. Upload the file and Pictory's neural network will automatically turn your audio track into a full-fledged video with appropriate visuals and subtitles. It's the perfect way to quickly bring your audio content to life for social media. When everything is ready, click Generate. The result is a video with subtitles, voiceover, and flawless editing. Pro tip: always check the subtitles in the Storyboard tab. Sometimes the AI gets proper names wrong. That's it. This was my first video. I hope you found it helpful. The link to Pictory is in the description below the video. Give it a try and create some awesome content.